going to do this family tree, I'm using 8.5 by 11 copy paper, and you can use it if you have it, or if you have any other paper you want to use, that's fine too. We're going to make, I'm going to show you how to make a tree, and instead of, you can also use pictures if you want for your family members, but what I did was I wrote their names on the branches. So you have to think about how many people you want to include in your family tree and add that many branches on, or else decide how many you want and don't want. So we're going to first do the tree, and we're going to use outlines. We're going to use a black Sharpie pen to create the outlines, and then we're going to color it in. I'm using crayon and magic marker. If you want to do something else, you're more than welcome to, but that's what I'm using to recreate this. I also did a little owl as a fun element to include. So let's get started. Take a clean sheet of paper, and what I want you to do first of all is put 2 little dots on the bottom where you want the trunk of your tree to begin. So if each of you do that with your marker, then you're going to make lines up, and that's going to be the trunk or base of your tree.